In this video, I will show you how to connect WooCommerce products to an Instagram shop. First, open your WordPress dashboard and make sure WooCommerce is already installed and your products have been added to your store. After that, go to the Plugins section from the left menu and click on Add New. Inside the search bar, type Facebook for WooCommerce. This is the official plugin that helps connect your WooCommerce store with Facebook and Instagram shop. Once you find the plugin, click on Install Now and then activate it. After activating the plugin, go to Marketing from the left menu and click on Facebook. Here you will start the setup process. Click on Get Started and then log in to your Facebook account. During the setup, you will be asked to connect your Facebook Business Manager, Facebook page, and Instagram account. Make sure your Instagram account is set to a business account because Instagram shopping features do not work with personal accounts. Next, select the Facebook catalog you want to use. WooCommerce will automatically sync your store products with Facebook and Instagram. Continue through the setup steps and approve the required permissions. Once the connection is complete, your products will begin syncing automatically. Depending on the number of products, this may take a little time. After the sync is finished, you can go to your Facebook Commerce Manager and review your products. That's it. Your WooCommerce products are now connected to your Instagram shop successfully. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.